In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Welcome to the Golden Legacy.
After the second hearing, the Muslim refugees remained safely under the protection of the righteous King Najashi. For the first time in many years, they found peace to worship Allah without fear. For the first time in many years, the believers lived without fear. Under King Najashi's protection, they worshipped Allah in peace. Though far from Makkah, their hearts remained firm upon faith, united as one community under Allah's guidance. Separated from their homeland, the believers built a new life through faith, unity, and mutual support. While peace blessed the believers in Abyssinia, their hearts never forgot their brothers and sisters still suffering in Makkah. While peace embraced the believers in Abyssinia, life in Makkah remained filled with hardship for those who accepted Islam. In Makkah, many believers continued to worship Allah quietly, enduring hardship with patience. Distance separated the believers from Makkah, but their prayers and hearts remained with those who continued to endure for the sake of Allah.
Peace be upon you. After many months, news from Makkah finally reached the believers in Abyssinia.
There is still hope for us there. Reports suggested that life in Makkah might have changed, but no one yet knew the full truth.
Hope filled many hearts, yet wisdom required patience. The decision ahead would change the course of many lives.
May God grant you safety on this journey. Hoping the persecution had ended, some believers chose to return to their homeland. With hope in their hearts, they crossed the long road back toward Makkah, believing better days awaited them.
The reports were not as they had believed. The persecution had not truly ended.
We must decide our path.
Allah will protect us.
Each family made its decision with faith, trusting Allah to guide every step. Though their paths were different, their destination remained the same, the pleasure of Allah. The story of sacrifice was far from over.
Every trial carries the promise of relief for those who remain steadfast in faith.
The journey continues. Every chapter brings us closer to the triumph of faith. Join us in the next episode of The Golden Legacy.